everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. When I am trying to avoid processed food, I sometimes feel like I am missing out on some tasty things. With a little extra thought and a bit more effort, I was able to find healthy alternatives which are equally tasty and easy to make at home. One such simple recipe is how to make a nice tasty spread which can be used with rotis, rolls or with millet breadsticks or even as a dip with snacks like corn chips. To make the dip, I will be using hung curd as the base, and this is how I am going to do it. I am going to place a perforated plate over a vessel into which it fits well, and then I am going to spread a clean white cotton cloth over it. Now I am going to pour some curd into it. The curd should be fresh and should not be sour. Now I am going to bring the edges of the cloth together and squeeze out all the water I can. I am going to keep twisting the cloth and squeezing out the water for a good 2 to 3 minutes. I am not going to throw away this water. I am going to add it into buttermilk and drink it. And now I am going to tie a tight knot with the cloth, put a stick through it and allow the curd to hang for 2 to 3 hours so that all the remaining water drips out. If it's the summer season, you can keep this entire vessel into the fridge so that the curd does not become too sour while it hangs. The hung curd is ready. To this, I can add any kind of flavors I like. For example, I can add some pudina paste into it or some Italian spices. Today, I am going to make a chili spread. For this, I am going to take a few red ripe chilies, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a little bit of salt. I am going to pound them together into a fine paste. You can see how all the water has been drained out and what we are left with is thick hung curd. So now all that's left to be done is mix the hung curd with the ground red chili paste. I am going to mix it all together and my spread is ready. If you want it to be a little bit more creamy, you can whisk it for a minute or two. So say bye to the processed cheese spreads and say hi to healthier eating.